Busy, Surah.
Have you understood?
Okay.
In English, please.
I beg your pardon. I mean, why are some dreams coded in some way? Sometimes some dreams are coded. One thing can mean the opposite thing.
Some dreams
are coded, and what
That's
is
right.
actually seen, the actual meaning is opposite.
Exactly. For example, I was reading just this morning that Hazrat Muslim has mentioned the subject of dreams, and about the opposites, he says sometimes when you cry in dreams, it is a very sure blessing of Allah that you are told God will make you happy. So crying before Allah means Allah will listen to you. So the coded words have a related meaning. So that is why, number one, that is why they are coded, that they have an internal relationship which only those who are taught by Allah Himself can understand. And secondly, if they were not coded, people may think that this is a wishful thinking on their part. It may be a ahlam. So it is coded that they cannot have made it by themselves if they had wished to do something, wished to make it. So this is why when the coded message is solved and it is fulfilled exactly in the manner that the dream was shown, then they know, really believe in Allah, that He has blessed us with a true dream.